welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a new edition of Tutorial Tuesday. So yeah, every Tuesday I'm back to give you guys a new tutorial, DIY style, you know what I mean? So this week for you guys I have a thrift flip tutorial where I go to the thrift store, get some sort of weird, ugly shirt or item and try to transform it into something fashionable, wearable, and sustainable, because we want to be not buying new clothes. We want to be taking clothes that are used and reloving them, reusing them, helping out Mother Earth, helping out our planet, doing our part, and looking fashionable in the process, of course. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial.
So we're going to start with this plain men's dress shirt. First step is to cut straight across the bottom of the shirt, cutting off that curved hem. Then I measured how long I wanted my shirt to be from the top of my bust to my mid-waist, and I added 2 inches for hem allowance. I marked that measurement with some chalk, and now I'm just cutting all the way across. I'm folding over the shirt to make sure I get it even on both sides. Then I'll just hem the top and bottom with a 1-inch seam allowance. Now that I've hemmed both sides, I'm going to take a bit of a bra insert and I'm just going to trace a half circle from where the buttons start and just try to make it as round as possible. Then I'll just repeat that on the other side. And go ahead and just cut these out. I'll use the first piece I cut out, put it right on top of the other one to make sure I cut out 2 exact half circles. Now we'll go ahead and go back to the piece of shirt we have left, and I'm going to go ahead and trace and cut out 2 pieces just like we did before with the cup sizes. This time I'm going to add 2 inches all around the side. Then I will go ahead and grab some elastic. We're going to measure and make sure that the casing we make will fit the elastic nicely. So go ahead and just pin that down, and then you're going to repeat the process on both sides and go ahead and sew that up with a straight stitch. Now I've inserted the elastic and I'm going to measure to make sure that they fit snugly in the half circles we made. Then I'm going to do a basting stitch all the way around. So that is a stitch that is the longest length that your machine will do. You can then take the string and divide them and just start to tug on the top string, and that's going to scrunch the fabric up, giving us a nice ruched effect that's going to cup the breast really nicely. Now we'll take our shirt and flip it inside out, and we're going to take the cups we just made and we're going to go ahead and pin them, making sure you pin the right sides together. And it's good to just have it really nicely distributed so that all the ruching will look nice and even all the way around the cup. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat this on both sides and sew my cups in. And here's what it'll look like once you have them sewn in. Now we're going to work on the back. And for this back, I'm going to do a shearing effect. To do a shearing effect, you need to use some elastic thread in the bobbin. If you've never done shearing before, there are plenty of YouTube tutorials that will show you how. Here I've done a couple of lines of shearing, and that's basically just going to scrunch the fabric up so it's going to make my shirt smaller and fit me nice on the back. And moving on to the sleeve, I've just cut a straight line from the armpit hole to the shoulder. Then I've measured how long I want my sleeve to be and added a few inches for seam allowance. And I'm cutting one sleeve on top of the other to make sure that they are even. Now that you've got your two sleeves, just go ahead and turn them inside out. And I'm going to just take a 1-inch seam allowance from each side, roll it over and pin it, and this is where our elastic casing is going to be, so make sure that your elastic will fit inside your casing and just pin all the way around. Okay, I have sewed those up and now I'm going to insert my elastic band. I'm just using a bobby pin and getting it to shimmy through the casing I have just sewn, and once I have it all the way through, I'm just tying a little knot at the end and it'll hide once you pull it through. And here we have one of the sleeves. Just do the same on the other side and then just do a little straight stitch and attach it to your shirt. Here is our finished shirt, MILKMAID top.
I'm really happy with how this top turned out. I think it's just super cute and I've got those countryside MILKMAID vibes going on. So thank you for watching this tutorial with me. I'll be back next Tuesday for another tutorial Tuesday, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep watching my DIY videos. Ciao, Elas!